Hello everyone, very good evening to all of you. Again, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Market Moves. Let's see again what is going to happen tomorrow, and let's analyze what I had mentioned in the previous video and how the levels were followed by the indices. So let's first go to the Nifty and see how beautifully, as usual, the Nifty actually followed my levels. Now if you if you had watched that video, or if you haven't, then you should watch that video. I had mentioned that if there is any gap up, so this was the close on Friday, so there was a gap up, and I had told that the gap up may happen around this level. Why this level? Because now it has been a rule, I have been mentioning it for again and again, that whenever there is any important resistance or support nearby, any stock or the index are bound to actually take a gap up or gap down, so that to enable itself to go beyond that level. So here the same thing happened. This was the Friday's close on Monday. It opened here exactly where I had mentioned, and as soon as it opened here, it went up to this level. Now this dotted line, blue dotted line, which is POC of that higher time frame channel. Let me show that channel. Here it is, this higher time frame channel, which has been followed by Nifty for quite a long time now. So it opened exactly where I had mentioned, and then it went up to that POC mark, and from there it started coming down. Now whenever I post a video, I say that you have to watch properly the price action. Now what do I mean by that? Actually, now see here, after the gap up, the market went up here, and straightway it started coming down. Now if there is, if there are two resistances, one is here and the second one is here, that means if the price is forming any bearish type of formation like it did here, so this is long wicked inverted pin bar. Now this is bearish formation. So as soon as Nifty started closing below this level, it was evident that it is going to go down. So here you could have taken your short sell or P, and it came back to this level. Now I had mentioned this level and this level as an important level. So it tried to take some time here, it tried to go up, but the bulls actually failed here, and it came down all the way to this level. Now this one and this one, these two were very important supports, and actually it was a trap. The bears took the Nifty to this level, so that the retailer may think that now the important levels have been broken, and it may go further down. But here now my DNSZ analysis students can see in a proper way that this was a demand zone, not very strong one, but it was a demand zone. It may be very stronger one in higher time frame. So from here Nifty started going up, and as soon as this level was breached, I was pretty sure that we are going to see a very good up move, and I had mentioned it in my free telegram channel that maybe that Nifty and Bank Nifty both may touch the day's high, and not Nifty but Bank Nifty almost went there. So, and there is another theory in technical analysis. When you see the series of downward candles, and as soon as there is any candle or two or three candle actually start closing above the previous red candle, then we may think that, we assume that the trend is about to change, and the same thing happened, and it went all the way almost to the day high, and it closed here around 18,200 and 206 level. Now you have to remember that landmark 18,293, which which is a gain level, and it will act as an important level for Nifty in coming days. Now what are the possibilities for tomorrow? Now as Dow Jones have done very well, not only today but yesterday also, so again we may see a gap up tomorrow. So if the gap up is going to happen tomorrow, it is going to happen near this next resistance, that is around 18,300. So my level, that gain level, is around 18,293, and yesterday's high is also lying somewhere there, that is 18,255. So you may assume that the gap up opening tomorrow, if there is any gap up, it may happen around this level. If it happens here and the same scenario happens, that after opening gap up, if it starts coming down, then yesterday's high will act as a support now. So you have to watch this level. After a gap up, Nifty comes down to this level, and after spending some time here, or after a consolidation, if it forms a bullish formation. Now what do I mean by bullish formation? Now this is not a very good one, but this is a bullish formation. Now as soon as this candle is formed and this important level was breached, it was very sure that a very good up move is about to be seen. So the same thing is going to happen tomorrow. If it comes down to after gap up this level, then you have to watch out for the bullish formation. If it is the case, then you may assume that after a dip, Nifty will start going up, and again it will spend some time around this POC, and after reaching it somewhere here 2-3 candles, and once this level is breached, we can see a very good up move, which will take Nifty to around 18,500, 18,600 level. This is the level which is, I think, enough for a day or two. Now what if Nifty is going to open somewhere here? Now if it opens between this level, that is 18,255 and 18,180, that means this will be a no trade zone. Now we will have to wait. If Nifty opens within this area, we will have to wait, either it should start trading above this level or below this level. Now if it starts trading below this level, then this will be an area where it will face support again. Now once this area is broken, yesterday's that is Friday's low, and rather Monday's low, will again try to stop Nifty, and who knows that from here itself it will start again up move. The market bias days very bullish. I have told so many times now that the undertone in Indian market is very strong. So as long as the US markets are supporting, I don't think that there is any very deeper dip can be seen in Indian market. So if this level is hold, we may assume that again Nifty will take an up move, and after breaching this level it will again go to this level, and once this level is breached, either an hourly basis or daily basis, then the next target is definitely going to be 18,500, 18,600. Now what if this level is breached? So there are so many supports. If this level is breached, this level will work as a support, and if this one is broken, then this will be the area where Nifty is going to take very good support. And remember 17,960, which is low of 3rd of November, this will be an important role, and afterwards this zone which is also an important one, 17,900. So I don't think 17,900 to 17,960 odd level is going to be breached as long as US markets are in greens. So this is all about Nifty. Now let's see what Bank Nifty can do tomorrow. Bank Nifty. So I had drawn this trend line as well as this one, and I had mentioned that this area will again work as a resistance, and this will also be a small resistance. Now what happened? There was a gap up, as mentioned. the gap up was about to be happen here. It did exactly near the POC and it could not sustain. It came down, it went up, but it could not sustain here, and it came down all the way to this area. Now see how much time it actually spent here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 candles. That means around 220 minutes, which is around 2.5 hours it is spent here. Then it was a false breakout type breakdown, another trap here, then it exactly came down to this level. Now what was here? So this was a demand zone, my students know it very well. So near this trend line it started going up, and once this level was breached by this very bullish candle, it was very sure that it is going to go up, and I was expecting that a new high was actually coming up for that particular day, but it couldn't happen. So we took C trade here, and that is options buying trade here, and I gave the same in my free channel, and it worked very well. And we are carrying call option of bank nifty also. So now what is going to happen tomorrow? So this is high for Monday, and here is that POC line. So this area is very important one, and bank nifty is almost there. So if there is any gap up, so it will be in open sky. Okay, open sky, there is no resistance up to this level, that is around 14,000, rather 42,300 odd levels. So if there is any gap up, we may see if it is going to happen somewhere here, suppose, okay, then it may once come down to this level, so that the retailers may be trapped here. Once it will come down to this level, it looks that from here it will start a new up move, and then bank nifty will definitely go to this level, that is around 14,300 to 14,370 odd level. And if on daily basis or at least on hourly basis, tomorrow or day after tomorrow or in days to come, if this level or this POC is breached and bank nifty closes above it, then definitely this trend line is going to be touched by bank nifty. So watch it very carefully. Now what if it opens within this range from 41,780 to this level, that is 41,603. So this will be a no trade zone. If bank nifty is going to open somewhere here, then we have to watch the price action carefully, and we will wait for bank nifty to breach either this level or this level. If this level is broken, then this will be the area where it will try to come down, and if this range is broken, then definitely it will try to come down to this level 41,370. And now let me mark Monday's low also. This will act as a very good support. So you have to remember that 41,320 and 41,230, 41,320 and 41,230, this will be the area where if bank nifty comes down to, then definitely we may see some very good up move, and that up move will take bank nifty all the way to the levels mentioned, which is around 42,330. So as long as the previous day's low is not breached on closing basis, both in nifty and bank nifty, we can say that the up move is intact, and every dip will be a buying opportunity. So this is all for nifty and bank nifty, friends. Please share my channel to your friends and relatives who trade in this market. There are only 51 so far now, it's 1 month or so. So please help me to increase the number in the channel. Thank you very much. I will be continuing this posting of videos as long as possible. Thank you very much once again. Happy trading.